Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Sholz TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beef and broccoli or broccolini recipe. Very quick, very easy, and absolutely delicious. So let's get right into it. So I have here one bunch of broccolini. You can also use broccoli if you like, but I prefer broccolini for my stir fries because they're thinner and the flavors just get to it better, and I like the texture as well. So cut that up into small pieces just like this and set it aside. Now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our beef. I have here beef chuck steak, thin cut. Go ahead and slice that into small pieces lengthwise. You can use whatever beef you like, but just make sure you cut them up in small pieces so they can cook quickly. So put that in a bowl, and then we're going to season. For our seasoning, I'm going to start off with a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger if you want. In fact, it's better and adds more character and flavor, as well as garlic. Also add about an 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, and then the magic, which is Hoisin, I just like to say, 1 tablespoon of Hoisin Sauce. And I'm also going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which I didn't show here, but add it. Mix it up together, and then let that marinate for about an hour minimum, or overnight to get the maximum flavor. Get your wok, heat it up, add some avocado oil or any high flash point oil. For stir fry, we want something that's gonna stay in and cook and not dissipate like olive oil will. Add your beef and then just cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Sizzle, sizzle. Smells so good. So after about a minute or two, flip it around so you can get it cooked on all sides. For a total of about 3 minutes, should be fine. And then you can go ahead and add your broccoli, which has been rinsed and chopped up and ready to go. So mix all of that together. Now we don't want to overcook your broccoli, so just mix it together once and begin to season. We're going to add some minced garlic. I'm going to add more chili just because I like it spicy, about 1/2 tablespoon more. And then I'm also going to add some soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon to start with. You can taste it and adjust as you go. And I'm also going to add 1/2 tablespoon of raw honey. Just get all of that. Mix it together. And voila! Your beef and broccolini recipe is ready. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a new recipe video. This looks so delicious. Now let's go ahead and try it. Ooh, this tastes so good. The broccoli is crunchy and it's so delicious. And until next time, sending you lots of love and blessings. Bye!